Good morning, children. In this video, today we will be talking about the last phylum of kingdom Animalia, that is Chordata. Chordata is further divided into three subphylums: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Under subphylum Vertebrata, we will be talking about the classes, that is class Cyclostomata. The next one will be Chondrochythecus. Next is Osteothecus and Amphibia. This slide shows general features of phylum Chordata. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata are fundamentally characterized by the presence of notochord, a dorsal hollow nerve cord, and paired pharyngeal gill slits. Body bilateral symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate with the organ system level of organization. They possess a post-anal tail and a closed circulatory system. This slide is all about the class Cyclostomata. All living members of this class, Cyclostomata, are ectoparasites on other fishes. They have an elongated body bearing 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits for respiration. Cyclostomates have a sucking and circular mouth without jaws. Their body is devoid of scales and paired fins. Cranium and vertebral column are cartilaginous. Circulation is of closed type. Cyclostomata are marine, but they migrate for reproduction to fresh water. Best known examples are Petromyzon and hagfish. This is the slide which shows Chondrochythecus example, that is Calydon. They are marine animals with a streamlined body and have cartilaginous endoskeleton. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout the life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. The skin is tough, containing minute placoid scales. Teeth are modified placoid scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. Due to the absence of air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Heart is two-chambered and they are cold-blooded animals. They lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate. In males, pelvic fins bear claspers. They have internal fertilization and many of them are viviparous. The best known examples are dogfish, sawfish, and great white shark. This slide shows next class, that is Osteothecus. It includes both marine and freshwater fishes with bony endoskeleton. Their body is streamlined. Mouth is mostly terminal. They have 4 pairs of gills which are covered by an operculum on each side. Skin is covered with cycloid scales. Air bladder is present which regulates buoyancy. Heart is two-chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. They are cold-blooded with the sexes are separate. Fertilization usually external and they are mostly oviparous and development is direct. The best known examples, that is flying fish, seahorse, Libiorohita, Katla are the best known examples for this class. This is Amphibia, class Amphibia. As the name itself is explanatory, like organisms, they live in water as well as on terrestrial habitat. So, these are the animals which show more organized, more advanced feature in their body. Most of them have 2 pairs of limbs. Body is divisible into head and trunk. Tail may be present in some. The amphibian skin is moist without scales. The eyes are having eyelids. Alimentary canal, urinary bladder, reproductive tracts open into the common chamber called cloaca, which opens to the exterior. Respiration by gills, lungs, and through skin. Heart is three-chambered, two auricles and one ventricle. These are cold-blooded animals. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external. They are oviparous and development is direct or indirect. The best known examples, that is bufo, toad, rana tigrina, Indian frog, hyla. These are the best known example of class amphibia. In the next video, we will be talking about reptilia, aves and mammalia.